Hi everyone, Daniel here, Tamika from Apex Health Move in Maryland. Thanks for jumping on board for our little project that we have running. We figured by giving back to our community that supported us, we'd be able to help you all be more productive during your day, ultimately stay pain-free, and just enjoy your time. Let's face it, we're going to be stuck indoors. We're going to have our challenges, so if we can do that without the niggles, it's going to make things a little bit easier. Yeah. So we figured with this series, ultimately, if we had a band, we had a foam roller, that's the only bit of equipment you would need. However, if you don't have that, we're going to try and put our thinking caps on. We'll come up with something to make it work and give you the guys the results.
Yeah, get a bit of creativity going with some things around the house, but really the aim of this sort of series is just to give you guys a few tips, tricks, drills to sort of run through, help keep you pain-free and just moving as well as you sort of can in this time. If you do have any other further questions or you want to reach out, you can find us on the website apexhealthmove.com.au. But again, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoy some of the content we'll produce for you guys.
Bye for now.